Hurricane Melissa stuns meteorologists with record-breaking winds. Hurricane Melissa has left meteorologists across the globe stunned and deeply concerned. As the monster storm barreled toward Jamaica on October 28, wind speeds near its eye wall reached levels few believed possible. How strong were they? Stronger than most tornadoes, faster than a Daytona race car, even faster than the world's most extreme roller coasters, approaching the kind of speeds normally found in the jet stream high above the Earth. Aboard NOAA's Kermit reconnaissance aircraft, scientist Andy Hazelton from the University of Miami watched in disbelief as data poured in from the weather instruments being dropped into the storm. At one point, a line on his monitor showing wind speed suddenly shot off the chart. "I couldn't believe it," Hazelton wrote on X, formerly Twitter. The reading showed a spot gust of 219 knots. That's 252 miles per hour. "That's absolutely incredible," said James Franklin, former branch chief at the National Hurricane Center. If verified, the measurement would represent the highest wind speed ever recorded in a tropical cyclone using a dropsonde, the small instrument packages scientists have relied on for decades to measure hurricanes from the inside. Melissa's behavior defied expectations. The storm's inner core remained intact far longer than usual, skipping the typical eye wall replacement cycle that often tempers a hurricane's strength. With peak sustained winds of 185 millimeters, Hurricane Melissa ranks among the two most powerful Atlantic storms ever to make landfall, and is currently tied as the third strongest hurricane on record in the Atlantic Basin. If post-storm analyses confirm even higher wind speeds, Melissa could set an unprecedented record for the fastest winds ever measured in a landfalling Atlantic hurricane. The human toll, however, has been devastating. More than 60 people have been confirmed dead across Haiti, Jamaica, and the Dominican Republic. The storm's fierce winds, torrential rains, and life-threatening storm surge have destroyed tens of thousands of homes, damaged hospitals and roads, and left entire communities isolated, many still without power, clean water, or safe shelter. International relief efforts are now mobilizing, but social media continues to flood with desperate pleas for aid from some of the hardest-hit regions. To many hurricane and climate scientists, Melissa's shocking power adds to growing evidence that warmer ocean temperatures are fueling a new era of stronger, faster-developing storms. As the Caribbean begins the long road to recovery, Hurricane Melissa may well become a turning point, not just in meteorological records, but in how the world understands the future of hurricanes in a warming climate.